CapCut Mask Mobile. If this guide helpful, don't forget to like and subscribe. People search for this tutorial because many CapCut users want to create more advanced video effects using masks and overlays, but do not know how to use these tools. Beginners especially need clear instructions. It helps them improve editing skills and make their videos more creative and professional looking for social media content. First, open CapCut on your phone to begin editing your video. Create a new video by clicking the New Project button on the screen. Then, select 2 clips that you want to include in your project from your gallery. After choosing the clips, press the Add button to import them into the timeline. Next, click on the second clip in the timeline to begin editing it separately. After selecting it, set it as an overlay clip so it appears above the main clip. Then, look at the menu options and find the mask section. Once you find it, click it to open the masking tools. From there, you can choose which type of mask you want to use based on your preference. After selecting a mask type, click it again to adjust the settings. From here, you can set the rotation, position, and feather to control how the mask appears on the clip. Adjust these settings carefully to match your desired effect. You can also add a keyframe to create movement or transitions within the masked area. Place the keyframe at the appropriate points in the timeline for better results. After making these adjustments, check the settings before you close the mask panel to ensure everything looks correct. Once you are satisfied with the mask setup, close the mask panel to return to the main editing screen. Next, check the video by playing it to see how the overlay and mask effect look together. Watch carefully to ensure the transitions and positions are smooth. If something does not look right, go back and adjust the settings again. Take your time reviewing the entire video to ensure it meets your expectations. Once you are satisfied with the final result, export the video by clicking the Export button located at the top of the screen. Wait for the export process to complete so your video is saved to your device. Following these steps will help you create more creative and visually appealing videos using masks and overlays in CapCut.